Kitty. There. What's wrong with your face? What happened? What happened to your little face? What happened to your little face? Look at your eyes. Look at your eyes. There's something in that one. And there's something in that one. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, little face. Oh. And poor little girlie's face. Look at that. Oh no. What is that? It doesn't look red. But it's not black. And then over here, it looks like you have reverse eyeliner. My goodness. In the same little tear duct situation. Oh, you're a hot mess. Oh, you're a hot mess. What's up here? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, maybe there's a little something on there. I don't know. You're being so good. I'm sorry. Oh, sweetie. Oh, sweetie. You're a hot mess.